How to fix an extra security step is required problem on Instagram. So if you want to fix an extra security step is required problem on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings on your device. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of apps. You need to tap on apps. After that, go with manage apps. Here you need to go with search and search for Instagram. Once you've searched, tap on the Instagram application, and then you need to just go with the bottom right, which has clear data option, and then go with clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next step you need to do is you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Instagram. And here, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just go and update it. Once you update it, restart your device and it will fix your problem of an extra security step is required on Instagram. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.